Our boy Elon Musk is back at it again. Yesterday, Twitter skyrocketed because he came out and he said, guys, I'm willing to buy Twitter at the original amount. So what happened? Well, we don't know what happened behind closed doors, but Elon Musk a few weeks ago said, I'm not going to buy Twitter. They're lying about their bots, blah, 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 blah. So what did Twitter do? They sued Elon, saying he still owe us $1 billion for breaking up the deal, and we actually want to force you to make the deal happen, which I don't think is really going to happen in the real world, but I won't get into that. So all of a sudden, Elon Musk's 180-degree turn saying, you know what, I'm willing to buy it, original price, let's go. Something tells me that in the negotiation or in the courtroom, somebody looked at him and said, listen, your reasons are kind of shaky here. And maybe Elon was trying to just get a discount in the company. Who knows? But right now, Elon's ready to buy the company. So what's going to happen? Let's look at Twitter stock right now. The deal was for $54 and I think 20 cents. So let's call it 54 bucks. The company is currently at $51.08. All right. So $51 even right now. All right. So 51 bucks. What does that mean? Well, there's still $3 more to go. This is an arbitrage play. So let's say hypothetically, you're this psychic and you know the future and you have seen Twitter is bought by Elon in the next month or two, 54 bucks. What are you doing? Buy the company now. You make a quick $3 on $51, almost 15%, right? Awesome. Nope, that's wrong. Go back. So whoever's recording this, go back to where you'll see where I go back to. So this is an arbitrage play. You buy Twitter today, 51 bucks, and you know for sure it's going to happen. It sells for $54. You make a quick $3. That's 6% in a month or two. That's the idea of arbitrage. But why is there so much meat on the bone? Well, Elon's a little crazy at times. He goes in and out of deals. He's sitting there. He says one thing. He says another thing. He tweets, we got funding from Saudi Arabia for $420 a share. Everything's secure for Tesla. He likes to sit there and say things that are a little crazy and may not be true. He's overpromised on production numbers for a long time. But in this situation, with him coming out and saying, I'm ready to buy Twitter at 54 bucks, barring some major unforeseen event, remember, he could very well end up bailing the deal. If he sits there and goes, hey, it's $1 billion, but the stock has fallen, let's say hypothetically the stock falls in half tomorrow. If I'm him, I'm like, listen, I'd rather just pay you the $1 billion fee. I walk away and I accumulate a lot of shares on my own and keep buying it, maybe do it again in the future. Because remember, Twitter was at $68 a share or something like that a year ago. So it's a lot cheaper than it was back then. This is purely an arbitrage play for investors. If you want to sit there and make the guess that Twitter will end up being bought by Elon Musk at $54 a share, you can make a quick $3. But is that for sure? We don't know. We have no idea. We've only seen in the last couple months that it's all up and down. There's lawsuits going, but this happens even with Activision. Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway made a play on Activision as well based on Microsoft's purchase price for Activision. Their comment was, listen, we don't know if Activision is going to be bought by Microsoft, but what we do know is Microsoft wants Activision and they have a lot of cash sitting on the sideline. So we're betting that it's going to happen. That's just another way of making money. I don't think Warren Buffett is looking at Activision as a value play. He's looking at purely as an arbitrage play. What's arbitrage? Well, very simply, it's where you sit there and make a bet on something happening and you're buying it based on a lower price. Most times what that happens is, the example always given is, you buy gold in New York at $1,000 an ounce, you know you can sell it in London for $1,100 an ounce. That's an arbitrage play. You're buying and selling the same thing based on some sort of price difference that hasn't been realized by the market. That's it. And that's what's happening here with Twitter. That's happening with Activision. But I encourage you to remember that there's a reason why there's a discount to this. It is not a guarantee that this happens. It's still Elon Musk. And I think Elon Musk is absolutely brilliant. I think he's one of the smartest men out there. He's a great visionary, but he's still very whimsical. He literally has 15 kids. He's been in how many relationships? I mean, the guy lives his life by the seat of his pants a lot of times. And he could wake up in the morning and say, you know what? F it. I don't want Twitter anymore. I'm out. And that would cause the price of Twitter to probably fall very, very quickly. So make sure you understand that in any of these arbitrage plays. If you're going to do this, don't put a lot of money into it. Put money in there that is very low where you wouldn't be upset if it fell by 30 or 40%. Because if he bails in the company, look at it. Look what happened here. He made the announcement he's buying it right around here. And then it ended up going as low as, and that was what? It got as high as $51 a share. It went as low, guys, as $32 a share in July. That's a 40% drop almost. A 40% drop after he said he was going to buy them. That is very, very, very big, and you have to be ready for that to happen to you. So don't put any more money in there than you're okay losing 30, 40, 50% of your money on. 5. What am I going to? So this is your first time watching the channel. We've made over 1,700 videos of us talking about stocks, value investing, business, real estate, mindset, day trading, long-term trading. This is a great way, this channel is a great way to learn about money. You will leave this channel after watching 4 or 5 of our videos, understanding money and investing a lot better. And even if you don't agree with me on things, you will realize that Mo and I have a great process. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. It will change your view on money.